When it comes to creating a comfortable, energy-efficient home, one of the most critical yet often overlooked aspects is the quality of your window installation. Homeowners in Sanford understand the importance of maintaining a balance between aesthetics, functionality, and energy savings, and properly installed windows are key to achieving this harmony. Here's why window installation quality matters for home efficiency and how it can significantly impact your home's comfort and costs. The role of windows in home efficiency. Windows are more than just a way to let in natural light and enjoy outdoor views. They play a vital role in regulating your home's temperature, reducing energy consumption, and keeping your living spaces comfortable. Poorly installed windows, however, can lead to a host of problems, including air leaks, condensation, and high energy bills. In Sanford's climate, where the summers are warm and winters can be cool, the need for energy-efficient windows is especially crucial. Quality window installation ensures that your windows provide the insulation and protection necessary to withstand these seasonal variations. The impact of poor window installation and improper window installation can negate even the highest quality windows benefits. Here's how subpar installation affects your home efficiency. Air leaks and draft. Poorly installed windows often leave gaps between the frame and the wall. These gaps allow outside air to seep in and conditioned air to escape, making your HVAC system work harder to maintain indoor comfort. Increased energy bills. Air leaks directly contribute to higher heating and cooling costs. The U.S. Department of Energy estimates that heat gain and loss through windows account for 25–30% of residential energy use. Improper installation amplifies this issue, leading to unnecessary energy waste. Condensation and moisture problems. Faulty installation can result in moisture buildup around the windows, causing condensation on the glass. Over time, this can lead to mold, mildew, and even structural damage to your home. Reduced lifespan of windows. Incorrect installation techniques, such as inadequate sealing or improper leveling, can cause stress on the window frame, leading to warping, cracking, or other forms of damage. This shortens the lifespan of your investment and increases the need for repairs or replacements. Benefits of professional window installation. Opting for professional window installation in Sanford ensures that your windows perform at their best and provide long-lasting benefits. Here's why working with experts matters. Optimal energy efficiency. Experienced installers ensure a tight seal around your windows, eliminating drafts and minimizing energy loss. This enhances the insulation of your home, keeping it warmer in winter and cooler in summer. Improved indoor comfort. Properly installed windows help regulate indoor temperatures, reduce noise pollution, and prevent issues like condensation and leaks. This makes your home a more pleasant place to live. Enhanced curb appeal. Well-installed windows contribute to the aesthetic value of your home. Whether you choose classic designs or modern styles, professional installation ensures a flawless finish that complements your property. Increased home value. Energy efficient, professionally installed windows are a selling point for potential buyers. They demonstrate that your home is well maintained and cost efficient, which can boost its market value. Key features of a quality window installation. When considering window installation in Sanford, look for these hallmarks of a professional job. Precise measurements. Accurate measurements ensure a perfect fit, reducing the likelihood of air leaks and water intrusion. Proper sealing. High-quality caulking and insulation materials are used to create an airtight seal around the window frame. Secure mounting. Windows must be securely mounted to prevent movement or warping over time. Attention to detail. Professionals pay close attention to alignment, ensuring the window operates smoothly and looks symmetrical. Why choose professionals in Sanford for your window installation? Sanford homeowners have access to skilled window installation professionals who understand the unique challenges of the area's climate. Local experts provide tailored solutions that not only enhance your home's energy efficiency but also align with Sanford's architectural styles and community standards. By partnering with experienced installers, you can have peace of mind knowing that your windows will perform optimally for years to come. Professionals also offer warranties on their workmanship, giving you added confidence in your investment. Conclusion. The quality of your window installation directly impacts your home's efficiency, comfort, and value. For homeowners in Sanford, ensuring proper installation is a smart investment that pays off in lower energy bills, increased comfort, and a longer lifespan for your windows. Don't compromise on the details. Choose skilled professionals for your window installation needs and experience the difference that quality workmanship makes. Whether you're replacing old windows or installing new ones, prioritize excellence to enjoy a more efficient and beautiful home in Sanford. Make the right choice today and reap the benefits for years to come.